Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x with the power of 3 divided by 2 times ln x dx. Okay, you can solve this integral using the formula for integration by part. That is, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, so here I define ln x as u, therefore dx over x will be equal to du. Okay, and I define x with the power of 3 divided by 2 times dx, these two basically, as dv, therefore v will be equal to integral of x with the power of 3 divided by 2 dx, which will be equal to x with the power of the integral of x with the power of 3 divided by 2 will be equal to x with the power of 3 divided by 2 plus 1, which will be 5 divided by 2 divided by 5 divided by 2, which will be inverse of that, that is 2 divided by 5. Okay, so now if you substitute these expressions into this formula, you will get uv, that is u times v, which will be 2 divided by 5, x with the power of 5 divided by 2 times ln x uv minus v, which is this term, that is 2 divided by 5, which is constant. I take it out of the integral, x 5 divided by 2, that is integral of v times du. Okay, so it's uv, which is this term, minus integral of v du. V is this term times du. Du is equal to dx over x. Okay, and that this one basically will be equal to 2 divided by 5, x with the power of 5 divided by 2 ln x minus 2 divided by 5 integral of, so x with the power of 5 divided by 2 divided by x here will be equal to x with the power of 3 divided by 2 dx. Okay, so now this one will be equal to 2 divided by 5, x with the power of 5 divided by 2 ln x minus 2 divided by 5, and integral of x with the power of 3 divided by 2 will be equal to x with the power of 3 divided by 2 plus 1, which will be 5 divided by 2 divided by 5 divided by 2, and inverse of that will be 2 divided by 5 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So that means this will be equal to, therefore this integral will be equal to 2 divided by 5, x with the power of 5 divided by 2 times ln x minus 2 divided by 5 times 2 divided by 5 is 4 divided by 25, x 5 divided by 2 plus c. And that is the solution to this integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.